So in this episode of the Ultimate Guide to Mixing, we are talking about stereo. We're going to do a panorama of stereo settings and showing you how to increase the performance and quality of your live show by expanding your stereo potential. Now, what happens is you've got people on the left and right of a stage, or maybe it's a podcast and you have people around the table. Maybe we are talking about just something for you at home. This is so super important and so much nicer. If you have a mixer and you're playing around with this at home, this is a great thing to get into, because so many times we don't realize we're usually mixing everything down into mono. That's these dials right here, the ones that say pan and balance. Very, very important. So we're going to be using these guys right here. These are pan dials because they come off an individual channel each, and they're going to allow me to go to the left and right with the sound. I've got music that I've pre-set up, so I've got certain tracks recorded on the left side, certain tracks recorded on the right side, so we can really experience what we're talking about. So let's give that a try, and we'll talk our way through it as we go. So right now, I'm going to bring these two channels in right here. We'll turn it down a bit so this way you can hear me at the same time, and I'll talk our way through it. Right now, you're listening to it in mono. Everything's been brought down, and we're just completely balanced right down the middle. Watch this. Do you hear that now? Let's turn it up a bit and let's play around a little bit more. So we're back into a mono setting. I'm actually going to flip it so it's going the other way now. Have you noticed that? Let's fade it back the other way and we go all the way. And there you go. That is what we're talking about. We're taking something like this in mono. Let's give it more character. Let's bring it apart. So can you feel that now? All right. So again, what we're doing is we're moving. I've got certain audio tracks on one channel and instruments, and certain other instruments and effects on the other channel. So we can push everything to one side. Can we tell where the audio track is? Let's bring it back the other way. If I turn this channel down, turn that channel up. So darling, how would you like? I think you and me could take a little time underneath the trees and get wilder. We could get wilder. So now you can really see how much difference you can get into things. So is that impressive? I mean, all we're dealing with are these guys right here, the pan and the levels. We can adjust that. And we can really create some big sound all from that. So I really, that's what you want to do, is you want to see how much you can do with just that alone. Again, I've taken all the music because I used Artlist. I have a link down below for that, and that's going to show you how you can do what they call stemming, which is basically having this song, like this one here, where you have all the actual tracks that you can play with individually, all part of the package. You can go to their site. You can try it out right now. It's available for you. But this is amazing. Once you do this, you'll have all the control you're looking for. It's that simple. So that's how you really put a lot of excitement into your music or into your podcast. Because remember, you can do the same thing. Everybody's on their own channel. You can now move people around the table by actually controlling the volume levels and the actual position, the balance or pan of each channel. So there you go. Using the actual pan options to really bring a lot of life to your music. Imagine such a small, simple thing like that can change how everything sounds. Well, I hope this video helps you out. If you do think so, please leave me a thumbs up, because I thought this was really fun to play with and really nice to show how this actually sounds in a mix. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave those comments down below. If you like this video, let me know. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.